party people, here we are with project number 8. From the bargain bead box, we got just a little lavakite toggle bracelet going on here. So this one should be pretty simple. Let's jump down to the mat, get this part started. All right, party people, here we are down on the mat. Here is the little design. It's just this little strand of beads all strung up. So we're gonna do that. Should be pretty easy. I really liked these beads. These are the lavakite beads. And I was just like, hey. Yes. Super good. So literally all we're going to do is we're going to string them up. And that's it. Easy peasy. I had that black onyx wire. What do I do with it? Here it is. Alright. Going to be using the Soft Flex Medium Black Onyx color. This actually came in my Gone Baddie thing for them. And this, I think, will be perfect for that. So we're going to do that. Ooh. Don't get all unravelly here. Just calm down. So for the medium, I'm going to get myself some size 2 crimps in the red bronze. There we go. And we're just going to string it up. I think I will connect these on to some jump rings just for funsies, just in case I need to do some adjustments, but also so my toggle can get through there. So I think I will just go ahead and connect the toggle ends onto these guys and close them up. So they are ready to rock. And then yep, slippery little guy. Come here. Okay, so I'm just going to crimp this. Crimp looks good. Now, I think I'm going to be able to get away with not using a few of these beads, so I'm going to take 6 of them away. Because I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. That should be about right. And I'm going to see if I can get away with stringing this down there. Just like so. And I guess we'll see if that's a possibility. Looks like it probably is. Doo-doo. And this could very possibly be the fastest bracelet we've ever made. as I get stuck on this little part right here. The kitties are hungry. They're like, Mom, you must feed us. And I'm like, yeah, I will. Just give me a little hot minute here. They don't understand hot minutes. They're like, no. All right. So that'll make it a little bit bigger on me, but that's good because that means it'll probably be about an average size. Let's see, what do we got? I could probably get away with taking 2 more off. Now, if you had a bigger wrist and you wanted to leave those on, you have quite a few options to do so. And we're going to get gravity involved because we do not want this to be too tight, especially since they're rondelle bead shape. They're going to need a little extra room to move. And there we go. 6.5. So this should be about good for me. I took off those extra 2 because I was like, I might keep this. We'll see. That's cute. I like it. It feels nice. I might keep it. I might. Oh, my little wire came undone here. So, as you can see, there's about a bead length's worth of space. So I know you're like, oh, I don't like that. But, okay, you might need it. I'm just saying, because when you wrap it around, you're going to need that space. Because they're still actually quite tight. I found this out when we did that purple box. I don't remember what that box was, but we had some rondelles in there and I was like, oh, I really like this bead shape. I want to make it into a bracelet. And then it was super tight. So FYI on that, but when it's on, looks super cute. This one's going to fit me. I got a couple of extras here. I could make some earrings or something. I'll put these with my little extra pile. But yeah, super cute. So here is our finished product, and here is our design. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Right? Super cute. Sometimes you just need super cute. So there you go. I hope you're all enjoying your fabulous, spectacular, amazing beading day. If you are, let me know down in the comments what you're enjoying about this day. I would love to know. I hope you have a lovely rest of your evening, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.